First, after receiving it, open the package and check the appearance, the plug body, and the case. Check if there is any damage. When installing after opening, there is an arrow. For example, this is a pipe. It should be installed sideways. The arrow should be along the direction of the water flow. If you check the display at that time, it's not very convenient. This place can be adjusted. After loosening the screw, you can adjust it. Then, in the outdoor case, the electrical interface must be tightened and take protective measures. The Speaks 504 fork densitometer uses a plug-in installation and is ideal for pipelines, open tanks, and closed containers. It measures fluid density based on the vibration frequency of its tuning fork in the medium, with built-in temperature compensation for improved accuracy. The boundary effect produced by the wall on the fluid, combined with the viscosity effect of the measured medium itself, will have a certain impact on the measurement calibration of the sensor. Impact. During the measurement process, it is essential to ensure that the sensor is completely covered. When installing in the pipeline, the fork body must be aligned with the flow direction of the liquid. Otherwise, the measurement results may be affected by vortex streets and vortices. When installing the instruments in the open storage tank, it is necessary to ensure that the instruments are placed away from the tank wall. These are the display parameters supported by the screen. Through RS-485 Modbus communication, you can transfer the data to the PLC, HMI, or connect to our wireless module and upload it to the server for viewing through networked devices.